Hi guys, you're welcome back to this step-by-step guide on how you can create an OKX wallet on your Telegram app. Creating an OKX wallet on Telegram is very easy and it's seamless. Just make sure you hang on to the end of this video to get it all. And also, if this video is helpful to you, please consider liking, subscribing and leaving a comment. So guys, let's get started. So guys, now the first step now is to open your Telegram app. As you can see, here's my Telegram app. So guys, now what you have to do next now is to actually tap on the search icon at the top right corner. You can see it right there, the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. Then after that, now what you have to do now is to type in OKX wallet. So let me just type in OKX. So guys, now you can see the search result right there. The one you have to tap on is the first option. You can see there written OKX wallet. The arrow is pointing at it. So let me go ahead now to tap on it. Let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see it's loading up. So guys, what you have to do next now is to tap on where you can see wallet. You can see it right there on the bottom left corner. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see it's loading up. Let's just wait a few seconds. And also guys, in case you're finding it hard to actually open this OKX wallet, what you can do is to actually use your VPN. You can use the Turbo VPN. I recommend the Turbo VPN. So guys, now you can see the OKX wallet is opening. So guys, now you can see what's written here, your portal to Web3. So guys, what you have to do right away now is to tap on where you can see create wallet. So let me tap on it right away. So guys, now you can see the next step. You can see what's written there, seed phrase. We're going to be creating a seed phrase wallet. So let me tap on seed phrase at the top. So guys, now you can see it's loading up. So guys, here's the next step. You can see what's written at the top, secure your wallet. Choose how you would like to secure your wallet. The first option is biometric authentication, which is your fingerprint. The second one is to use your password. So whichever one you want to use, your fingerprint authentication or your password, you can go ahead. But in this video tutorial today, the one I'm going to use is the biometric authentication, which is my fingerprint. You can see there it's already selected. So what I'll do now is to tap on where it is written next. You can see it down there. So let me tap on next. So guys, now you can see it's loading. So guys, you can see this notification. You can see what's written there. Do you want to allow OKX wallet to use biometry, which is my fingerprint? So let me tap on allow. You can see it there on the right. So let me tap on it. So guys, what I will do now is to place my finger at my fingerprint sensor behind my phone. So let me place it right away. So guys, now you can see it's loading. It has captured my fingerprint. So let's just wait for a few seconds. So guys, now you can see here's the next step. Let me get to read what is written there. Before noting down your seed phrase, you should know is the only way to recover your assets. Never share your seed phrase with anyone. Write it down by hand and store it safely. So guys, now in the next step, you're going to be seeing your seed phrase. Your seed phrase are a list of words. They are actually 12 words that you must write somewhere and save securely. Make sure you save it where no one can find it, because anyone who gets your seed phrase can get access to your wallet and the money and the funds inside of the wallet. So guys, just get a book and a pen that you will use to write down the seed phrase. So guys, what you have to do next now is to tap on where you can see notes down seed phrase. You can see down there the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it right away. So guys, now you can see it's loading. So guys, you can see here's the next step. You can see what's written there, note down seed phrase. You can write down the words in order and keep them stored safely. So guys, now to see your seed phrase, what you have to do now is to tap on the eye icon. You can see where the arrow is pointing. By tapping on it now, you'll be able to view your seed phrase. So guys, what I will do now is to tap on the icon. You can see the eye icon there. You can see what's written there, view your seed phrase. Make sure no one is looking on your screen. So guys, let me tap on it right away. So guys, now I can now see my seed phrase. You can see I blurred it for security reasons. This is not what I want to keep out there for people to see. So that's why I blurred it. So guys, what I'll do now is to quickly write it down in my book. So let me do that quickly. So guys, now you can see I'm done writing it down. What I have to do next now is to tap on where it is written. I have noted it down. You can see it right there, the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see here's the next step. You can see what's written there at the top. Verify your seed phrase. So guys, they're asking me to verify seed phrase number 6, 9 and 12. Remember, these seed phrases are actually 12 in number, so they're asking me now to select seed phrase number 6, number 9 and number 12. So guys, this is to confirm that I've actually taken note of my seed phrases. So what I'll do now is to select seed phrase number 6, seed phrase number 9 and number 12. So guys, let me go ahead now to select it. Let me select number 6 right away. Then let me select seed phrase number 9. Then finally, let me select seed phrase number 12. So guys, now you can see it's going to load up now. Wow guys, you can see what's written there. Welcome to OKX. Let's explore Web3. So guys, what I have to do now is to tap on where it is written start your Web3 journey. You can see down there. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see OKX wallet is loading. Let's just wait for a few seconds. You can see it's loading up. Wow guys, can now see now I've been able now to create an OKX wallet on my Telegram app. You can see my OKX wallet balance. You can see the cryptocurrencies right there. I can go ahead now to tap on any of them to copy the wallet address. So guys, now this is how you can be able to create an OKX wallet on your Telegram app, and is this easy, and I believe you got value from this. If you did, do well to like, subscribe and leave a comment. Bye.